Hey family and friends, hope you are all well. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you find yourself. Today, a quick one. Join me as I prepare some yummy to wear. And today we got our plain flour from Morrison's. Yeah, if you are around that area, you can also grab some. This is plain flour. And we are going to put them in my mixer straight away. Yeah, this is 1.5. Take your pen and paper, is 1.5. I've also got 1 full nutmeg, which is about 1 full tablespoon of nutmeg. Let's add it into our dough powder. We have some sugar here, which is about 600 grams. So we are going to add in all our sugar. Wow. We have some yeast. This is yeast. You can get some from Aldi or Asda, anywhere you find yourself. And each pack is 7 grams. So the 2 is 14 grams. Let's add it. Here we go. You can have a look at it, how it is going here. And this is our pinch of salt. We are not going to add it where the yeast is. We are going to put it aside. I have some eggs and milk. I'm going to add this together. And I'm going to mix all together. So it's 1 egg and milk. You can use only water if you are intolerant to milk. So guys, over here, I thought the camera was on. We have in our 1.5 kg of plain flour. We got our plain flour from Morrison's today. If you are passing by, go and support them a bit. We also used 2 sachets of yeast. Each one is 7. So we are using 2, which is 14 grams. We have our sugar, which is here. You can tell the sugar is 600 grams. We have our pinch of salt separated from the yeast. So, and then also our nutmeg as well. And then over here, we have orange extracts. Yeah. And then our milk, which is 100 ml. So we are mixing everything nicely. Yeah. So at this time, we are going to mix all our dry ingredients. So don't skip through the video. Once our dry ingredients is ongoing, we are going to put in our butter. It's about 100 grams. Going to mix it very nicely. Obviously, once we put in all our ingredients like lukewarm water, it will melt our butter as well. At this time, we are going to add in our milk and egg. If you are going to use your hand to mix it, make sure you take it easy. This is going to be my lukewarm water, which is about 900 ml. 900 ml. And I'm adding in gradually as it is going. Take it easy. I've finished mixing the bofrot. This is how the texture should look like. Phew. And the air also. Edel madra. Edel madrina. And the also. I doubt it's mommy and Danish. That's how you know your bofrot is ready. Instead of you to be doing this, that's why I speed up the machine, the mixer, so it can be doing the job. Look, that's how it looks like. 1, 2. That means you are on the right track. The bofrot is going to be amazingly nice. So stay tuned. We are going to cover it and allow it to rise for about 2 hours. For about 2 hours. You can even also prepare it overnight. And maybe later in the night you can prepare it and then wake up early and fry them. So stay tuned. If don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Share this video for me and try some and tag me. Bye for now. Rest and tranquila. We are going to revisit it in 2 hours time. So just keep through the video. Stay tuned. This is cling film. You can use anything that you can use to cover. Important I the baby or one win. This is what is happening now. The bofrot is overflow. It's blessings. That's why wherever you keep it, and make sure the place looks nice and neat, wiped. Because this is the same worktop that I always prepare my meat pie. It's nice and clean. Yeah. Or the overflowment. You want to be a tom name or so guys, we are good to go now. Our oil is very hot now. And everywhere is sparkling, so we are going to give it a try. Let's have a try. Try 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll call it. Stay tuned. Let's try our oil. If the dough comes out like quickly, then our oil is ready to go until ready. There you go. So we can start putting in our puff. Finally, our bofrot is ready and everywhere. So good food. Say busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Wow, what a bofrot. Good food. Bofrot is easy chat mukama. Damna wapen. Nyo. Wapen easy chat. Now wa papa kama akonda na nwibiri ebieza no house koko papa bi orokodo bofrot na ya akonzo papa bi ebusia mombo njere la oh camera no onye bright no onye yeah orokodo thank you so much for watching. Hope you can try this recipe. Don't forget to share, like, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Thanking you. Ooh, wow, bofrot no I condom nebuso. The second batch is also ready. And we are good to go. Yeah. So finally, our bofrot is ready. I hope you can try this recipe and thank me later. I love you always for watching my recipes and keep sharing to all your family and friends. Thank you and have a good evening. Bye bye. Hold on.